Hey guys, welcome back to the Computer Depot's Tech Classroom series. In today's episode, we will be diving into the three major types of software, popular office suites, and the importance of buying genuine software. Let's get into the video. Stay tuned to the end of this episode for this week's quiz question. The three major types of software are:
Number 1. System software. Think of software as being layers. The system software is the bottom layer. It sits between the hardware and the application software. Operating systems like Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS are all examples of system software. Operating systems perform tasks such as file, memory, and process management, handling input and output, and controlling the connected devices. If you haven't watched the Tech Classroom episode on operating systems, now would be a good time to do so. The link is in the description below.
Number 2. Utility software. Utility software usually comes with your system software and performs specific tasks to keep the computer running. Utility software usually launches at startup and is always running in the background. Examples of utility software are security and optimization programs. Security programs include antivirus software that scans and removes viruses. Most computers will include some sort of antivirus software, but you can buy and install your own. Optimization programs can include tools for system cleanup, disk defragmentation, and file compression. These tools are typically installed as part of the OS. They have access to the storage device to keep it organized.
Number 3. Application software. This is everything else. Anything that is not an OS or a utility is considered an application or an app. So a video game, office productivity software, web browser, and graphics software are all examples of application software, and they can do many specific tasks. Office productivity software is by far the most popular software requested by computer users. Office productivity software typically includes a word processor, a spreadsheet editor, and a presentation application. Back in the 80s, these softwares were offered as individual applications. However, during the 1990s, Office Suite products gained popularity by offering bundles of applications that, when bought as part of a suite, greatly discounted the individual applications, with sometimes 5 or 6 applications being bundled for the price of 3 applications bought separately. This practice is still widely in effect today. Let's take a look at a few Office suites out there.
Keep in mind that 3 apps remain at the core of almost every Office suite out there: a word processor, spreadsheet editor, and a presentation app. Depending on the suite, and in some cases depending on which version of a suite you choose, you can get an email and calendar app, a database manager, PDF editing software, note-taking app, and so on. Apple's iWork. Mac users can get their hands on Apple iWork, which is a free sophisticated set of apps which are deeply integrated within the Apple ecosystem. Apple's iWork apps include Pages as the word processor, Numbers as the spreadsheet editor, and Keynote as the presentation app. These are available online as cloud-based applications, as well as on macOS, iOS, and iPadOS devices.
Google Workspace, once known as G Suite, offers a powerful, elegant set of office and collaboration apps suitable for business, education, and other institutions. It's a subscription-based upgrade from the free Google apps available to anyone with a Google account. The free and paid versions are cloud-based applications, meaning they are not installed on your computer. Instead, they are accessed through your web browser with internet connection. Core apps are Google Docs as the word processor, Google Sheets as the spreadsheet editor, and Google Slides as the presentation editor.
Microsoft 365. Not to say we're saving the best for last, but Microsoft 365 is the giant which has been setting standards for all competing office suites out there for decades. Microsoft 365 offers the best of both worlds. The app can save documents to its cloud storage service, Microsoft OneDrive, which allows you to keep copies of your documents both locally and in the cloud simultaneously. Being the industry's trendsetter, both Apple iWork, Google Workspace, and almost every other office suite out there ensures that they support saving documents in the file formats native to Microsoft 365. Hold up, did I mention that Microsoft 365 Office for the web and mobile apps are completely free? That's right. Even if you cannot afford a subscription, Microsoft is still not leaving you out. You can use free versions of their core apps with your free Microsoft account through your web browser or download the apps to your Android or Apple devices. Some of the more advanced features may not be available in the free versions. The core apps are Microsoft Word as the word processor, Microsoft Excel as the spreadsheet editor, Microsoft PowerPoint as the presentation app.
Microsoft 365 products are highly depended on in most businesses out there because it is hands down the most popular. Whether viewing or creating presentations, typing up Word documents, or sending and receiving emails, it is simply more convenient to complete business processes using a Microsoft solution of some type. More than just a few businesses and end users globally have subjected themselves to cracked and illegal copies of software. Besides being completely illegal, pirated software comes without all the support, stability, and networking facilities that a genuine copy would. So, let's explore the benefits that genuine Microsoft products can offer your business and you personally as an end user.
Using genuine software ensures that you are getting the most for your money. You will receive the latest features, technical support that you can count on, ongoing software updates to keep your PC performing at its best, and free antivirus and anti-malware protection. A PC purchased from a reputable source with a genuine operating system pre-installed by the computer's manufacturer is the most cost-effective way in acquiring a qualified Windows OS license. When you purchase genuine Microsoft software from a reputable retailer, you can be confident that you are getting exactly what you paid for, which is genuine software published by Microsoft. Acquiring software from an unknown source does not guarantee that you are getting the genuine product and can affect your overall user experience for the worst. And that's it for today on the topic of software. See you in the next one.
It's time for this week's quiz question. Are you ready? Let's go! Today's quiz question is, according to the video, what are the benefits of using genuine Microsoft software? Remember to leave a comment under this video for a chance to enter and win. We will announce our winner on YouTube this Friday at 6 p.m. Good luck!